Welcome back to Curious Caper, DMV drug and alcohol trivia. What is the legal blood alcohol concentration (BAC) limit for drivers aged 21 and over in most U.S. states? 0.05%, 0.08%, 0.10%, 0.02%. 0.08%. Which of the following substances can affect your driving ability? Prescription medications, over-the-counter medications, illegal drugs, all of the above. All of the above. After consuming alcohol, what is the only effective way to reduce your BAC? Drinking coffee, taking a cold shower, time, exercising. Time. At a BAC of 0.10%, how much is your risk of causing a car crash compared to when sober? Twice as likely, 7 times as likely, 10 times as likely, 3 times as likely. 7 times as likely. Which of the following can be affected by alcohol consumption? Judgment and coordination, speed control, awareness of road signs, all of the above. All of the above. For drivers under the age of 21, most states enforce a zero-tolerance policy for BAC levels at or above 0.01%, 0.02%, 0.05%, 0.08%, 0.02%. Which of the following is true about drinking and driving? Eating before drinking can completely prevent intoxication. Cold showers can sober you up instantly. BAC can continue to rise even after you stop drinking. Coffee can sober you up effectively. BAC can continue to rise even after you stop drinking. How does alcohol affect your reaction times while driving? It has no effect. It makes you react more quickly. It slows them down. It only affects reaction times in new drivers. It slows them down. Which factor does not influence how quickly alcohol is absorbed into your bloodstream? Your weight, the amount of food in your stomach, the color of the drink, your gender. The color of the drink. If you are taking medication, what should you do before driving? Drink a lot of water. Consult with a healthcare professional. Take a shorter route. Drive only during daylight. Consult with a healthcare professional. What is the effect of combining alcohol with other drugs while driving? It has no significant effect. It can cancel out the effects of alcohol. It can significantly increase impairment. It makes you more alert. It can significantly increase impairment. What should you do if you plan to attend a social event where alcohol will be served? Plan to stay overnight. Designate a sober driver. Drink coffee before leaving. Both option 1 and option 2. Both option 1 and option 2. How long does it typically take for alcohol to be absorbed into the bloodstream? 10-15 minutes, 20-40 minutes, 1-2 hours, immediately. 20-40 minutes. Before watching, please like and subscribe. What is a potential consequence of refusing a BAC test when pulled over by law enforcement? A warning, a monetary fine only, automatic license suspension, no consequences. Automatic license suspension. What role does food play in alcohol absorption? It speeds up absorption. It has no effect. It slows down absorption. It only affects certain types of alcohol. It slows down absorption. Is it legal to consume any amount of alcohol and drive as long as you are under the legal BAC limit? Yes, always. No, it's never legal. Yes, but only in some states. It depends on the driver's tolerance. Yes, always. What are the typical effects of a depressant on driving? Increases alertness, slows down reaction times, improves coordination, has no effect on driving skills. Slows down reaction times. What legal consequences can result from a DUI or DWI conviction? Jail time, fines, license suspension, all of the above. All of the above. What effect does alcohol have on your vision while driving? Improves night vision. Reduces peripheral vision. Has no effect. Enhances color perception. Reduces peripheral vision. Why is mixing alcohol with energy drinks discouraged before driving? Increases drowsiness. Can mask the effects of alcohol. Leads to better focus. Has no effect. Can mask the effects of alcohol. At what BAC level can you be charged with a DUI in commercial driving? 0.04%, 0.08%, 0.02%, 0.1%. 0.04%. What is the implied consent law? Consent to a field sobriety test. Consent to use seatbelts. Consent to a breathalyzer test when suspected of DUI. Consent to carry insurance. Consent to a breathalyzer test when suspected of DUI. How do most states categorize a first offense DUI? A minor traffic infraction, a misdemeanor, a felony, a warning. A misdemeanor. Which of the following is not a field sobriety test? Horizontal gaze nystagmus, reciting the alphabet backwards, one-leg stand, walk and turn. Reciting the alphabet backwards. What is the main factor that affects BAC? The type of alcoholic beverage, the body's ability to process alcohol, the time of day alcohol is consumed, the amount of alcohol consumed. The amount of alcohol consumed. How does cold weather affect the intoxication rate? Speeds up the rate, slows down the rate, has no effect, makes it more dangerous to drive. Has no effect. What should you do if you encounter a driver you believe is under the influence of alcohol or drugs? Try to pass them. Follow them closely to monitor. Call the police with a description of the vehicle. Ignore and continue driving. Call the police with a description of the vehicle.